£50 a month. That is 1 takeaway coffee a day, or 2 streaming subscriptions. Most people say it is not worth investing, so they do nothing at all. Today we prove that mindset costs you 6 figures over your lifetime, and remember, capital is always at risk. You have heard the excuse before, maybe even said it yourself. £50 feels too small to bother investing, so it sits in a current account earning nothing. But £0 invested always becomes £0 no matter how many decades pass. Small but consistent beats big, but never, every single time. Here is the mechanism. Assume an illustrative 7% average yearly return, roughly the long-term average for global stock markets, remembering capital is always at risk. £50 a month invested does not just add up, it multiplies as returns generate their own returns year after year. That snowball effect is the entire secret, and it needs time more than luck. Put £50 a month away for 20 years at that illustrative 7%, and you are looking at roughly £26,000. You only paid in around £12,000 of that yourself. The rest, over £14,000, was created by growth you never lifted a finger for. That is the reward for starting, not for being rich. Stretch the same £50 a month to 40 years, and the number jumps to roughly £132,000. You contributed under £25,000 across 4 decades. Everything else, over £100,000, is pure compounding. 6 figures from an amount most people spend without thinking twice. So here is the choice laid bare. Save nothing, and you retire with nothing extra, guaranteed. Save just £50 a month, and you could retire over £100,000 richer, illustratively speaking. In Part 2, we find that £50 hiding in your spending without you even noticing it is gone. Open your bank app and list every subscription you forgot you had. Streaming services, apps, gym memberships you do not use, they add up fast. Most people find £30 to £60 a month hiding in plain sight. You are not finding new money, you are finding money you already earned and are wasting. Cut 1 takeaway or 1 round of coffees a week and you have likely found your £50 already. This is not about giving up your life, it is about redirecting one habit into your future self. 20 years of compounding does not care where the £50 came from, only that it showed up every month. Overdraft fees, paid current account charges, old direct debits to companies you left years ago. Banks profit from inattention. A 10-minute statement review often uncovers money leaking out monthly for nothing. Redirect that leak into a standing order instead, and it starts working for you rather than against you. For long horizons like 20 or 40 years, a stocks and shares ISA is the standard home for this kind of money in the UK. Growth and withdrawals inside the ISA wrapper are tax-free under current rules, though the annual allowance changes, so check the current figure on gov.uk. Remember, capital at risk, investments can fall as well as rise. If you are eligible by age and this money is for a first home or retirement, a lifetime ISA can add a government bonus on top of what you pay in. Limits and rules change, so check the current figures and eligibility on gov.uk before assuming anything. It is not for everyone, but worth 10 minutes of research. If your employer matches pension contributions, redirecting even part of your £50, there can mean instant free money before growth even starts. Tax relief rules and thresholds shift, so check current allowances on gov.uk rather than trusting an old number. Capital at risk applies here too. Pensions are invested, not guaranteed. Willpower fails, standing orders do not. Set the transfer for the day after payday before you see the money in your current account. This single change is why some people succeed with £50 a month for decades and others quit after 3. Remove the decision and you remove the excuse. Every pay rise is a choice point. Increase your monthly contribution before your spending expands to fill the gap. Someone who bumps £50 to £75 or £100 over the years can turn a 6-figure outcome into something considerably larger. Illustrative maths only, not guaranteed, but the direction is obvious. Markets fall, sometimes sharply, and that is normal. Not a warning sign to withdraw everything. Stopping contributions during a dip is how people turn a decades-long plan into a decades-long regret. History shows markets have recovered over time, though past performance never guarantees future results. Capital at risk, stay the course. Waiting until you earn more before you start is the single most expensive financial decision most people make. Every year you delay costs you a full year of compounding. You can never get back. £50 started today beats £500 started in 10 years. The maths from earlier proves it. This was never really about £50 a month. It is about proving to yourself that small, consistent action beats big, intended action that never starts. 20 or 40 years from now, the version of you living comfortably will not remember the takeaway you skipped, only that you finally began. If this shifted how you see £50 a month, subscribe to Clear Money UK for more straightforward breakdowns like this one. No jargon, no fluff, just the numbers and the steps that actually move your future forward. Educational content only, not personalized advice, and remember, capital is always at risk when investing.